Come back to the next session, students. Let us see the next series of the question number 16. While Sn belongs to one of the 7 crystal systems, Sn means tin. While tin belongs to one of the 7 crystal systems, options hexagonal, monoclinic, triclinic, tetragonal. So already I have given a flow chart to you, and let us see the flow chart of all the 7 crystals. Systems are cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, trigonal or rhombohedral, hexagonal, monoclinic, and triclinic. In short, we can call it as CTOT HMT. CTOT HMT. CTOT HMT. You just remember only the alphabets. CTOT HMT. C for a cubic, T for a tetrahedral, O for a orthorhombic, T for trigonal, H for hexagonal, M for monoclinic, T for triclinic. In order to remember this option, this letters, she told other technician to hire motor tools. Chief told other technician to hire motor tools. Chief for cubic, told for tetragonal, other orthorhombic, technician trigonal or rhombohedral, higher hexagonal, motor monoclinic, tools triclinic. I hope it is easy for you to remember CTOT HMT, or we can remember this sentence. Chief told the other technician to hire motor tools. So there are 14 types of space lattice called Bravais lattice, because after the name of the French mathematician who first discovered them, that 14 types is called Bravais is the scientist name. To honor him, they have given this called Bravais lattices. So the 7 systems are the nothing but cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, trigonal, hexagonal, monoclinic, and a triclinic. So in this tin belongs to tetragonal. I have given a chart for you, all the 7 crystal system and 14 Bravais lattices, that is primitive and non-primitive. We have already, I have given in my description box. You can see in a solid state of theoretical lesson, primitive, simple cubic, or non-primitives are body-centered, face-centered, and end-centered, etc. In this case, primitive is nothing but the atoms will be present only in a cube. The atoms are present at the corners, and non-primitive not only from the corners but also present at any place, either in a face-centered, in the faces the atoms can be occupied, or at the center the atom can be occupied. These are called a non-primitive unit cell. Primitive unit cell belongs to simple cubic. Non-primitive unit cells are BCC, FCC, and ECC, edge-centered or end-centered, we can see. So this is called Bravais lattices. In cubic, it has 3 Bravais lattice. One is primitive and 2 non-primitive, all body-centered and face-centered. And tetragonal, 1 primitive and 1 body-centered. And orthorhombic, primitive, body-centered, face-centered, and end-centered, totally 4 Bravais. And trigonal or rhombic, primitive is only 1. Hexagonal also primitive is 1. Triclinic is a primitive is 1. And monoclinic has a primitive and end-centered. In this, the speciality is orthorhombic and a monoclinic alone as a end-centered. It also belongs to 1 mark question. And there is a vast difference between a cubic and a triclinic. So cubic, all its distance are equal, and triclinic all are non-equal. And angles are all equal to 90 degree, angles are not equal to 90 degrees. So it is symmetric, means it is asymmetric. So here the examples are given. So tin example, white tin is an example for a tetragonal. So in the question, while tin belongs to one of the 7 crystal system is nothing but tetragonal. Please back out the chart. It will be easy for you to give the examples as well as angle and distance, all the parameters. Next question. In K-manifold, the crystallographic parameters are alpha equal to beta equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degree, and alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. Alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to 90 degree. Alpha and gamma is equal to 90 degree. That is, which is the example of K-manifold. In crystallographic parameters, angle distance. So in this angle distances, this K-manifold is a rhombohedral. Rhombohedral or a trigonal. So alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degree. So alpha and beta is equal to 90 degree. Gamma is not equal to 90 degree. So in this I have given CTOT HMT. You please remember the chief told other technician to hire motor tools to remember this cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, trigonal or rhombohedral, hexagonal, monoclinic and triclinic. So the examples of cubic: lead, mercury, gold, silver, copper, diamond, sodium chloride, zinc sulfide, potassium chloride are belongs to cubic. And here the K-manifold is belong to trigonal or rhombohedral. In this case, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degree. Why I have given this 7 crystal system as my list means CTOT HMT means you just remember this. For cubic, trigonal, orthorhombic. For cubic, A equal to B equal to C. A equal to B is not equal to C. A is not equal to B. B is not equal to C. See the chorus. All are equal and only B is not equal to C. But here all are not equal to C. A not equal to E. A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Same like this 3. Next 3 also it follows. A equal to B equal to C. A equal to B is not equal to C, just like second one. Third one is all are not equal. A is not equal to B is not equal to C. And triclinic is already I told you this symmetric and triclinic is asymmetric, just opposite to cubic. So here this is all equal to mean it is not equal to. So that is what I have given CTOT HMT in order. You can write the axial distances in the same first 3. Second 3 also C. Just opposite, all the opposite of cubic only is a triclinic. And angle, axial angles. Alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degrees. So in case of cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, all are equal to 90 degrees. First 3 is same. And trigonal, alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. Gamma is not equal to 90 degree. And hexagonal, alpha and beta equal to 120 degree, 90 degree, and gamma is equal to 120 degree. Alpha and beta equal to 90 degree, and gamma is equal to 120 degree is hexagonal. So gamma is not equal to 90 degree. Hexagonal, gamma is equal to 120 degree. So you can remember it's a frequent question. Hexagonal is a frequent question. Sometimes in exam, the angle will be given. They will ask you what type of crystal. So frequent question is hexagonal type. And monoclinic, alpha and gamma is equal to 90 degree. Beta is not equal to 90 degree. It's very easy. Alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degree. Just opposite to cubic. So first and last is opposite answers. And here you can understand this second, third one is 90 degree. And trigonal, gamma is not equal to 90 degree. Already I told you, remember hexagonal is a frequent question. Alpha is equal to beta equal to 90 degree, but gamma is equal to 120 degree. And monoclinic, alpha is gamma is equal to 90 degree, beta is not equal to 90 degree. And please remember this examples and related to the crystal system. In the question, K-manifold they have given, so it belongs to trigonal, or it may be a rhombohedral. In question, they have not given a trigonal, they said only rhombohedral. So totally the primitives you see, just to see 3, 2, 5, and here 5, 10, and here 14. So there are 14 Bravais. Bravais is nothing but number of primitive and non-primitives. Primitives are in cubic, the atoms are to be present only at the corners. Non-primitives is nothing but any places along with the corners. So that is called body-centered, face-centered, and so in the second question, alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree, gamma is not equal to 90 degree. There's nothing but rhombohedral. So that is just called as alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degree. Rhombohedral is a trigonal. KMNF. The angle is, this is the angle. The correct option is this one. Please by heart this table. Copper metal belongs to a crystal system repeated by the crystal dimensions as alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree, A equal to B equal to C. So all the angles, the parameters are given. This is angle, axial angle, and this is the distance. Both they are given together. So copper metal is a cubic crystal system. All are symmetric names. Remember that should be a cubic crystal system. So most of the metals, I mean lead, mercury, silver, gold, copper, or inactive metals, I mean very less active metals, or belongs to cubic. So it is a copper is the cubic system. It is nothing but alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree in axial angle, and distance parameter is A equal to B equal to C. Next 19th question. The ionic radii of A plus and B minus ions are anion and cation are 0.98 into the power of minus 10 meter and 1.81 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. The coordination number of each ion in AB is. So radius ratio of Ra plus cation and the anion is equal to cation value is 0.98 into the power of minus 10 and 1.81 into the power of minus 10. So if you keep one decimal here, it becomes 9.8. So I have kept a point in a anti-clockwise direction, so it should be a 10 to the power of minus 11 and 18.1 in 10 to the power of minus 11. This 10 to the power of minus 11, 10 to the power of minus 11 get cancelled. So 9.8 divided by 18.1. So this 9.8 in 18.1, it is 2 times. So 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. So this 0.5 approximately, I mean the value is nothing but radius ratio values. So by heart this tabular column 0.155, 0.225, 0.414, 0.732. Once I am repeating 0.155, 0.225, 0.414, 0.732. Here 0.1552, 0.225, this 0.225. Then 0.225 equal to 0.414. 0.414 equal to 0.732. 0.732, 1. This is 0.155. It is a triangular. The coordination number is 3. 0.225 is nothing but tetrahedral. It is a coordination number 4. 0.414 is an octahedral. It is a 6. And 0.732, it is a cubical. That is, this is octahedral is FCC and cubical is a BCC. The coordination for octahedral is 6 and cubic is 8. So that answer is fall between 0.5. So 0.5 where it falls. 0.414 equal to 0.732. Between these values, 0.5 is small. So it is a octahedral. It is nothing but coordination number is 6. 0.5 is fall between these two. So that is coordination number is 6. Coordination number is 6. So the vacant space of BCC lattice unit cell is whether 48%, 23%, 32%, or 26%. In simple cubic, the packing efficiency factor is 52%. Empty spaces 100 minus 52, 48% in for a simple cubic. For BCC, the packing efficiency is nothing but 68%. The empty spaces 100 minus 68, 32%. In the question they have asked BCC, so that the empty spaces, the vacant space is 32%. For a face-centered FCC, the packing efficiency is 74%. The empty space is 26%. Thanks for watching, students.